I remember. Yeah. I understand. Yes. Wait, hang on. I 100% understand. So we're going on to number 15, but I do want to um I want to measure. Uh I want to measure it. Wait, I had the measuring tape. Okay, I guess I'm gonna use the one on the table. I had it in my hands though. Okay, so that's 9. I'm gonna put that back, and I'm going to measure it this way. We are almost at 6. We are about 5.5. So this is another way that I can kind of check my tension as well. I'll show you with a piece of white paper, maybe. No, I'm gonna take one of these things. I never use this for absolutely anything. So let's use it now. Sure, we could do this color. Is that gonna be good? I think so. Okay, so what I'm checking here is that the sides are straight, right? And that, so this is my next row that we're going to start, number 15. And what I'm checking is that I'm not going inward because that's my problem. My problem is that I'll start good and then all of a sudden I start to like go inward. And I feel like I'm all of a sudden being all trapezoid kind of vibes, you know? And Net, hello, if you're still here with us. Are you I are you working on anything crochet at the moment? I would like to know. Chain two and turn my work. Double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. I don't know if you guys can hear my background, but my son is playing soccer online, mm, and he is like a true typical gamer, yelling at the TV. Single crochet, and double crochet. Let me see. Am I able to do?